I'm sure majority of you guys, after nyo mag-aral, after graduation, you're gonna do what was you gonna do next? Look for job. And the reason for that is because for you to make money. Now, question. How sure you are na pagka-graduate mo, makahanap ka ng trabaho? Tama? And how sure you are that you are going to get the salary or the income that you want? If, especially taon-taon ang daming gumagraduate, tama po ba? Yes. So, Lasal nandiyan dyan, Ateneo nandiyan dyan. So, how are you going to compete? Basically, ang life path natin is what? To study, look for a job, find a job. Next is save. After you save, next is retirement. Are you guys planning to retire in the future? Yes. After that, you plan to start your own business. True or not true? So lahat ba dito in the future, guys, are planning to start your own business? Now my question is this. Bakit in the future pa kung pwede mo naman simulan ngayon? If you work for money, eventually, magkakasakit ka, mapapagod ka, maubos yung lakas mo, ubos din yung pera mo. Tama? Bakit ang dami ngayon sa atin, sa Pilipinas? Pagka-graduate, nagkatrabaho, after 10 years, after 20 years working, bakit wala pa ring savings and investment? In the future, how sure you are that you're going to have a stable job? Now, what if through the use of cryptocurrency, through the use of the internet, hindi mo kailangan magtrabaho sa pera, what we're gonna do here is we are going to let money work for you.